Good morning, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our Bible verse this week. It's Matthew 28:6. He is not here. He has risen, just as he said. Come and see the place where he lay. I want you to think about the wonderful news this was to Jesus' followers. This is the verse that talks about after Jesus died on the cross. This was such excellent, wonderful news. They were so happy to hear that he was no longer in the tomb. This week we are going to celebrate that Jesus is no longer in the tomb and what that means for us. So this week you will practice Matthew 28:6. Let's read it together. He is not here. He has risen, just as he said. Come and see the place where he lay. Let's rejoice in that this week. Have a great day, guys.